Hello everyone, this is Maxim from Italy. We all remember that Omega launched the Planet Ocean Ultra Deep watch earlier this year. Well, it seems that Rolex has decided to respond to this with a new deep sea challenge and announced in early November a new diver's watch that boasts record-breaking water resistance for a diver's piece. Well, according to my dealer, the production will be clearly less than that of a Submariner, and for him as well, by the way, the announcement of this watch was also a surprise. So I visited the AD, tried the watch, and I can say that this piece is very awkward, massive, and something is wrong with its appearance. I have a Submariner and for a second it seemed to me that I'm holding an Invicta in my hands. With a water resistance of 11,000 meters, the Rolex Deep Sea Challenge is capable of diving deeper than the Omega Ultra Deep, which can be 6,000 meters underwater. But this requires a much larger case and the rim escape valve. So clearly we can say that this competition shows us how both companies have demonstrated their ability to produce professional diving watches that can withstand diving to the deepest point in the Pacific, the Mariana Trench. Deep Sea Challenge has a massive case, 50 by 23 mm and weighs 251 grams, compared to the Seamaster Planet Ocean Ultra Deep case, which is smaller and has 45.5 by 18 mm and weighs 123 grams. Just for example, I put my Omega Planet Ocean Sochi edition, it has also 45.5 mm next to this Rolex, and of course it looks clearly smaller. Thus we can say that Omega has gone for the comfort of wearing at the expense of waterproofness, and Rolex strive for maximum waterproofness at the expense of wearing comfort. To lower the weight of the watch, Rolex created a new ultralight alloy called RLX, which consists primarily of grade 5 titanium and has been used for the case, caseback, crown, bezel and bracelet. The black bezel insert is made of kerachrome and the indexes are plated in platinum. Inside nothing special, we have the same caliber 3230 with a power reserve of 70 hours and it is tuned for a super chronometer accuracy. The retail price of the watch is 26,100 euro. So the bottom line is that at the moment Rolex holds the record for deep diving, but it's safe to say that this fight between Omega and Rolex hasn't finished yet for sure. Well, let's see, maybe someone else will chime in this fight. I would personally like to see how my beloved Blancpack could potentially compete with both companies. Let me know your opinion, write your comments, thanks for watching and subscribe to us for more videos. This is Schotka, this is Max from Italy, bye!